Hello guys, this is Meitner here and welcome to another OBS video. In this video we are going to fix the wrong displayed local time in OBS Studio. Now I know you might be questioning how to display local time in OBS Studio during recording or streaming in the first place. Well, it's basically a coded HTML file that displays date and time, which can be imported to OBS Studio as a browser overlay. Now, before we start, here is the file. I've gotten this file from GitHub and I modified it a bit to display time only. I'm going to leave a link in the description for it just in case if someone wants the file. It's a safe file guys, it's an HTML file, let me show you. Right click, Properties, here we go, HTML file. Also right click, Open with, Notepad, here you go, you can see the HTML code here. And down there, this is the function that displays the time. So if you want to go deep into this, you can search online how to add JavaScript date and time keywords to display other stuff such as date. Anyways, let's close this. Now let's just open it on the web browser by double clicking. As you can see, the time is being displayed in real time. The seconds counter is going up. And the time displayed matches my system's local time, as you can see. So far so good, but where is the problem? We are getting into that. Let's open OBS Studio. And let's import the time overlay. We click on this plus button. Then we select browser. We can name this browser time and then we hit OK. Then we check on the local file option. Then we click on browse. We already have the file on desktop, so let's just open it. Now we hit OK. The overlay is working like a charm. But the problem here is that our system's local time is ahead of the time displayed in OBS by 1 hour. And the file is actually working fine. If we open it again using web browser, it will display the correct time. However, inside OBS Studio it's displayed 1 hour behind. So why is this happening? Let me explain. OBS Studio is only importing our system's local time. However, most of our Windows OS time is synced with Microsoft servers by default. And here is the tricky part that causes this wrong time problem inside OBS Studio. Some countries use daylight saving time system, which is basically the practice of advancing clocks typically by 1 hour during warmer months. Then after warmer months are over, the clock is set back by 1 hour to return to standard time. So in OBS Studio's case, it only uses standard time without daylight saving. That explains why our local time is 1 hour ahead of OBS Studio time. Now let's fix this issue. We go to Start menu and we type date. We click on Date and Time settings. We go all the way down. There is an option toggled on that says Adjust for daylight saving time automatically. We toggle that off. Now once we do that, the system's clock is set back by 1 hour to return to standard time, which is matching the time displayed inside OBS. But still, the issue hasn't been fixed yet. Now we go back to date and time settings again. This time we go to the first option, which is set time automatically, and we toggle that off. Once we toggle that off, we can now change the date and time manually. We click on Change button and we simply advance the time by 1 hour, then we click Change. Now we go back to OBS Studio and give the app a minute to update the time. Here we go, the time is corrected inside OBS. Problem solved. Maybe OBS Studio developers would fix this issue in the future, maybe not, but if you live in a country with daylight saving time system, this video fixes your problem. This was Meitner here, thank you for watching.